Today, we are going to build a unit converter program in Python using functions. So grab your Python editor and let's get started. In this program, we are going to create 3 different functions to perform these 3 conversions. So let's start with our first function, which is for conversion of kilometers to miles. Let's call this function as km to miles. And we will pass here kilometer value as parameter and return kilometer multiplied by 0.621371 because 1 kilometer is equal to 0.621371 mile. Let's move on and write our next function, which is for conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now in this function, we will be passing Celsius value as a parameter and return corresponding value in Fahrenheit by multiplying Celsius with 9 divided by 5 and adding 32, and this will give us the temperature in Fahrenheit. Let's create our next function, which is for kilogram to pound conversion. Here we will pass kilogram value as a parameter and return kilograms multiplied by 2.20462. That's because 1 kilogram is equal to 2.20462 pounds. Now that we have created our 3 functions, let's move on to create the main menu of the program, unit converter program menu. And next, I will display the 3 options. This menu will help the user choose one of the options and perform the desired conversion. Next, we will get the user's choice in a choice variable. Please choose an option, and here 1, 2, 3 indicates that user has 3 options to choose from. Then if choice is equal to 1, then in that case we will ask the user to input kilometer value. So here enter kilometer value and we will convert it to a floating point type value. Next, we will convert it into miles by calling the function kilometer to miles and passing here kilometers as arguments. Let's change it to kms to indicate kilometers. And I'm keeping this argument different from the parameter km. Next, we will print the conversion value. So here kms kilometers is equal to miles and here miles. So here I am keeping it capital. Otherwise, if user's choice is equal to option 2, then we will get the value of temperature in Celsius, and once again it is going to be a floating point type value. Inside the input function, we will enter our prompt, enter temperature in Celsius. We will then convert it into Fahrenheit and we will call here Celsius to Fahrenheit function and pass here Celsius value as argument. Finally, we will print an F string Celsius, and now I need degree symbol. Copy it from Google. So let's paste it here. We don't need these brackets. Degree C is equal to Fahrenheit degree F. Next choice is for kilogram to pound conversion. So choice is equal to 3 and here we have kilograms equal to float. Then our input prompt, enter kilograms, get the value in kilograms and convert it into pounds by calling kg to pounds function and passing here kilograms and print here an F string with kilograms value equal to pounds value. Alright, if user chooses any other option, then we will display invalid choice. Please choose from options 1, 2 and 3. Alright, now the program is over. Let's run the file. So here we have a nice header displayed along with the 3 options. Now I choose kilometer to mile conversion. Let's suppose my kilometer value is 2.4 kilometers and now it's converted to miles. Let's perform another conversion, Celsius to Fahrenheit. So I choose option 2 and I enter 100 degree C and it's converted to 212 degree Fahrenheit. So there you have it, a fully functional unit converter program in Python. Ready for today's challenge? Now you have to add reverse conversions to this program. Try it out and post your solutions in the comment section below. If this helped, then please like the video and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to Programming Horizons for more upcoming tutorials. See you tomorrow. Until then, happy coding!